Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
These are indeed very difficult times for the Niger Delta and indeed the rest of humanity as the battle to end coronavirus continues. We can only urge governments and citizens across the globe to stay the course and remain vigilant until the battle is eventually won.
Inside the Niger Delta.
The Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs recently carried out a medical outreach program in AKUGHA local government area of Imo State in line with its mandate to improve quality of life in the Niger Delta. Speaking at the event, the Minister of State for Niger Delta, Senator Omotayo Alashodura, said it was part of efforts to implement President Muhammadu Buhari's new vision for the Niger Delta. Correspondent Tekena Milfori completes the report.
The recent medical outreach program was organized by the Niger Delta Ministry to promote quality and affordable health care in Imo State. In collaboration with the Health Mission, the Niger Delta Ministry organized an enlightenment campaign on the prevention and treatment of diseases that had become prevalent in the Niger Delta region. Beneficiaries of the program also underwent general checkups and diagnosis, while prescriptions were made for diseases like malaria, typhoid, HIV/AIDS, and cancer.
A lot of communicable diseases, are banned now. And because of the poverty in the land, it is difficult for people to be able to access hospitals and get treated. What we are trying to do is to start something and probably ginger also the conscience of both the local government and the state to do likewise.
Minister of State for Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Omotayo Alashodura, noted that the medical outreach program was in line with President Buhari's new vision for the Niger Delta that was launched in 2016 after a series of engagements with the region's leaders and representatives.
I would like to restate the federal government of Muhammadu Buhari, the desire to ensure that the people of this region enjoy basic health care, and that government has made health care a priority area in its developmental plans for the Niger Delta area.
Some beneficiaries of the medical outreach program expressed their feelings about the federal government's intervention in public health, which had become a major source of concern in AKUGHA and other oil-producing communities in the Niger Delta.
So let's thank Almighty God due to the federal government because they are doing a lot of things.
I'm very, very happy that they have come to our aid. They came to help us for our eye problem and some other cures.
Political leaders in Imo State, including Deputy Governor Placid Njoku, described the recent medical outreach program as a demonstration of the federal government's unwavering commitment to bring about sustainable development in the Niger Delta.
With the new programs and policies that His Excellency the President has initiated, there is no doubt that the Niger Delta people are going to have a breath of fresh air very soon.
The recent medical outreach program organized by the Niger Delta Ministry in Imo State is part of a comprehensive plan to include the Niger Delta in the federal government's universal health coverage policy.
Inside the Niger Delta.